Hello everyone, this is Engineer Hussam. In this video I'm going to show you how to draw part using one-point perspective view. For one-point perspective view, we don't need to take care of two sides of the object, width and height, so we only have to connect the depth to the vanishing point. How to do this? Assume you want to draw a rectangle. Okay, say this is rectangle, and here is the point that you want to connect, point 1. Okay, so we will connect the vertex, all the vertex, to this vanishing point number 1. So by doing 1, 2, and here's the last one. Okay, now you have to repeat this line so you can make it parallel here to this one. So I will draw another line parallel to this line. This distance, the depth, you have to choose this distance based on the example or the exercise that you are drawing. So it is assumption, but or you can measure it from the example or exercise that you are drawing. But the most important, this line has to be parallel to this line. And one more time, this line on horizontal also has to be parallel to the horizontal line. So parallel in vertical and parallel in horizontal, and here is my final shape. I hope you like this tutorial. Thank you very much.